In today's math lesson, we're going to find a missing coordinate using the slope. Truth be told, you can do this by hand. You really can. But I am not as interested in the by hand number manipulation at this point in time as I am in do you know how to set up the equation correctly. So we are going to use the TI Nspire calculator to help us actually do the solving of the equation. If you want to find a lesson on solving by hand, we can find that out on a separate video. Just give me a comment and let me know that's what you're looking for. There are 6 steps that we can use to help us find the missing coordinate when we've been given the slope. So let's find out what they are so that we'll know how to use the TI Nspire. To start off this process, we need to use the calculator app on the Nspire. On the Nspire, we have a scratch pad option, but we also have these other document options that you could find over here in the documents, or you could come down to the bottom of the screen and you can use this little icon. So we're going to use the calculator app and open it to be there. Our second step will be to press menu. The third step will be to go to algebra right there. After clicking on algebra, we're going to open numeric solve. So here's algebra, click on that, numerical solve. Now that we've found numeric solve, we're going to click on that, and on our screen shows NSolve. Inside of these parentheses, you will be typing the equation that you're trying to solve. Before you push enter, before you step out of these parentheses, you will type a comma, and then whatever the letter is in your equation that you are solving for. After you have typed in your equation and pushed comma and the variable that you are solving for, you'll just hit enter, and the missing part of our slope formula, the missing coordinate point, will be there for you. Let's go practice this. Oh, if you were wondering, okay, great, so I'm putting an equation in here into the numeric solve. What equation am I using? Okay, so we're using the slope formula, and we learned the slope of a line equation in a previous lesson, and that is the equation that we are using. So m equals the quantity of y2 minus y1, all divided by the quantity of x2 minus x1. This is what we will be using. This is what we will be filling in and then going to solve. It is one of these x or y pieces that will be missing, having been given the actual slope to begin with.